So guys, I know this video is gonna be over a period of 2 weeks, and at this point you're probably like 10 minutes into this video, but it's been probably a week and a half, 2 weeks since the start of this video to now. So I had to order new spark plugs, I ordered new valve cover gasket, and the wrong one came in. Then I had to reorder new valve cover gasket, and then I hand polished all the hardware, and I now got new washers as well. So we did a whole bunch of ordering from FCP and got a whole bunch of stuff coming. So that's what took so long, and then I also had some house stuff to do. But we are back, and you can see the valve cover is on. We need to pull off the hardware, put the new washers on, and then bolt everything back down, put the new spark plugs in, put the boots back on, and get this buttoned up so that we can actually drive this thing with the new tune. We've literally only started it with the new tune. We have not actually driven it. So I am excited to get this thing done so we can get it back on the road and start ripping on it again. So let's get the valve cover back on and done so that we can get this thing together. Now that we got the valve cover all bolted down, now we get to put our new spark plugs in. So we'll put those in, then coil packs go back on. Then we are basically done with this. So let's get these in and set, and let's get this thing all buttoned back up. So next, our coil packs, and we have these in order as they came out, so that they don't cause any issues. I'm not saying they would, but just in case, we know if we have a misfire again on cylinder number 1, then it's because of the coil pack and not, well, it was a spark plug. The spark plug was, the hole was filled with it was completely filled with oil, so we know that was the issue on number 1. So if we still have one on number 1, then we know that it could be the coil pack as well, being burned out from the oil. But we have them all put down. Go grab our bolt, little injector plates, and I believe they go there and there, there and there. So put some screws on these, and we will get these cinched down. Well, we have all the coil packs hooked up, bolted down, so we are done. We are good to go. It is finished. We can put our covers back on, and now we can start it. So we are done, guys. So we have a few more things on this car that I want to do that I know you guys have been waiting for. So have I. Now that it's together and running and the motor's done, we are going to jump to the brakes and wheels. So the wheels are going to get a little treatment, and the brakes get upgraded with the 135 calipers that I have that have been sitting for 8 months. I don't know. Guys, we're dirty. So she's back together. She's ready to run. I have some cow stuff to put back on, but that's not vital to the actual running of the car and driving of the car. But we are together. We can now take her off the dollies, and we can actually move her around. But thanks for watching, guys. I know this video was literally all over the place, and like 2 weeks in the making, or 2.5 weeks in the making. But we got to it. So that's all that matters. We're back on the X5 next video. Got a lot to do on that one. Got a lot of sensors. Got a lot of things back for that one. So we are golden on that one. This one's done. Just need to clean it up. We have a shifter to put in. We have a few other little things. But now that she's running, we're good to go, guys. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. Subscribe. Go to my Instagram. 16K, guys. We're almost there. ArcSlave84 is my Instagram. Go over there. Like the channel. Like the page. Follow me. Like pictures. Comment. Whatever. I answer everybody's question over there if they have any. So don't hesitate to ask me questions. I'm doing a big giveaway for 16K on the Instagram. So get over there, and should be announced as soon as we hit 16K, which I'm hoping is going to be Wednesday. It's Monday night tonight, and we're like 12 away. So might hit 16K tonight, but who knows. So go there, like that, and then we can get... you can get that going. Let's see. I'm curious. See where we are in Instagram. Oh, I don't know how this works. Where am I going? Hang on. Holding you guys down. Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Da! Yep. 13 followers, guys. 13 followers still. We're hit 16K. Get over there. Like the page. Follow the page. I'll follow you back if you have good content.